Hello, everyone. Welcome to Faith Taught You. I am Faith, and I'm super excited because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of my favorite meals, and that is some chicken marsala. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you try it. So yeah, stay tuned. So I just wanted to come up here and start my first video with one of my favorite dishes and something that was going to be a little different. And so right here I have my chicken breasts. I've already washed them with lemon and salt water and patted them dry. And so I'm gonna just go ahead in with my seasonings, and I'm gonna use some adobo seasoning, some garlic powder, and I like to go ahead and open up my tops before I touch my meat. That way I'm not using both of my hands, because you're gonna need one hand to touch the meat and it's gonna spread bacteria. So I like to go ahead and just open up my seasonings. I have some onion powder, some cracked black pepper, and some seasoning salt. And actually, I'm not going to use the Himalayan pink salt right now. That's for a little afterwards. So go in with these seasonings and season my meat. All right. And then I'm going to take these and flip them over and season the other side. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and turn my stove on to medium heat. Take some butter. A good amount of butter. And go ahead and melt that down to my pan. And I'm also going to add a little bit of oil to you guys. In this little plate, I'm going to take some flour. Not much. I just need to get a little flour on the chicken, because this is going to help also thicken it. All right. And while this is going on, you guys, I do have some rice already cooking with my chicken marsala. Some people do. Let me back this up. Y'all, I'm sitting here in this kitchen trying to adjust this camera. Just bear with me. All right, I think y'all can focus. Okay, so I already have my rice cooking inside of my rice cooker. Let me just kind of back this up. Hope this is working. Sometimes this thing be giving me problems, y'all. It doesn't steam. I feel like. All right. So I'm just go in and lightly coat the chicken breast and place it in my pan. You don't have to get it all the way covered. Just a good amount. Different ways to make chicken marsala. This is just the way that I do it. So I don't know, other recipes may not coat their chicken. I like to coat my chicken, y'all. Especially because I'm gonna need that sauce to thicken up, and I don't know, I just like a little bit of texture to my chicken breast. Alright y'all, so I got my chicken in here. Ooh. Cooking up. And I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. Alright, so I got these over here cooking up, and once these are done, I'm going to just place them right here on this plate. So I'm going to come back, I'm going to finish sauteing this up, and then I will let you guys know when I'm done. Alright guys, so my chicken is basically almost done. And so I'm going to just go ahead and remove these out the pan. And they will finish cooking once I have the sauce out. So I'm going to grab me some more butter. My butter is melting down. So what I'm going to do is I have some chopped red onions, and this is how I chop mine up. Let me make sure. Yeah, so this is how I chop mine up. And I have me some sliced portobello mushroom. So I'm going to just put all of these inside of my pan in that melted butter, and I'm going to saute those. And then to this, I'm also going to add me some Italian seasoning. I like to season my food, y'all. Everything gets seasoned. So I'm going to do some Himalayan pink salt. And I'm going to do some cracked black pepper. So I'm just going to let that saute up a bit. Y'all, I'm so mad. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I'm sorry. I just added my Marsala cooking wine to this. I did 1/4 of a cup. And so I'm going to let this cook in here for about 2 minutes before I add in my chicken broth. But I was saying I never measure my food, but when it comes to any of your cooking wines, sherry wine, Marsala wine, rice wine, always just make sure that you measure that. I always start with 1/4 a cup with anything that I'm cooking when it comes to that wine. And so take it from me, trust me, I have made this mistake before of adding too much, just kind of just going in with it, and it was terrible. It was no coming back from it, because my food had just tasted like straight wine. So yes, so just allowing this to cook and get all up in my vegetables. And then I'm going to go in with my chicken broth, and I use the less sodium. I would say you can either use no salt or less sodium. So now I'm going to add my chicken broth to this. And I would say I used about half of this. A little bit more. Reason being is because this is going to thicken up, but I need my chicken and stuff to cook in this. So I'm going to let this cook. Let my vegetables cook with the chicken broth, with the sherry wine. I'm going to let that cook for about 5 minutes. But before I do that, I'm going to add about 2 cupfuls. This is my secret ingredient, you guys. Dale's marinade. I absolutely love, love, love. I swear by this. This is a must-have in your pantry. And so yeah, so add you just about 2 cupfuls of Dale's. You don't need much because you don't want it to be salty. And this isn't the less sodium one. So if you're going to use Dale's, you can always grab you the less sodium one. But yeah, that's all you need. Just get you some Dale's marinade. And I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. Let all this stuff kind of merge together. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with my heavy whipping cream. Matter of fact, I'm going to just pour the rest of this. I had about that much left in there, so I just went ahead, a little less than half. So I'm going to just finish that off. And I'm gonna let this cook. Pour those good old juices down back in there. I'm gonna let this cook for about 25 30 minutes. Get on top. Alright guys, so my masala, my chicken masala has been cooking for about 30 minutes and the gravy is actually thickened up perfectly, so I don't need to do the slurry. And also, oh crap, right back. And then also I tasted it, so we don't need to add anything extra. So I'm gonna just go ahead and plate this up and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I sauteed me some spinach with this. Let me bring it in closer. This is it. I sauteed me some spinach with some garlic and topped it off with some parsley for color. And this is about to be so good. So we're about to sit down and eat, enjoy this meal with my family. And don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you plan on trying this meal. Like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.